This beauty is a 1962 Chevy Bel two-door sedan with the famous 409, the car of song. Notice the dual carburation, beautifully done here under the hood. Generator, and you'll notice that it has no power steering or power brakes. So this is the real thing. There's the insignia and American racing wheels. Beautiful white paint and a gorgeous red interior. And you notice the hood scoop here, bring more air into the air cleaner area, and no back seat. There's a nice roll bar there. So this car was really meant for the track, besides being used on the street, I'm sure. Very nice red interior, 4-speed on the floor. Pretty much a standard dash with some under dash instruments, a tack on top of the dash. Great 4-speed there on the floor. What's not to like about this car? Just absolutely flawless. There are a lot of cars that were base level cars that had big engines in this time period. Sometimes much to the surprise of other cars in the street.